Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In my last video, so many of you were asking me if I've switched up products from my last skincare routine. And guys, I get it. My skin have been glowing lately and I've been getting lots of compliments. So I thought to come on here and share with you guys what have changed in my skincare routine and the things I'm still using. So the whole purpose of today's video is to show you my daily skincare routine. So I'll be showing you all the products I use for my daily face care for glowing skin and my body care routine products for intense skin brightening. So trust me, this is the perfect routine for anyone that wants to have a bright, beautiful, glowing looking complexion. So I'm actually going to be making this into a party one and party two. So this is mostly for my morning skincare routine, and I'll be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine in another video. And you guys know that nighttime is where the juicy tea is at. So don't forget to click on that particular video after watching that. So the first product I use in my daily face care routine to have this bright, beautiful, glowing skin that you all see is this Centella Ampoule Foam. And this is a right here. So this is my foaming face wash and I actually use it in the daytime. Guys, this is a very nice and gentle foaming face cleanser. This is what the product looks like. All you have to do is to wet your face, then apply a little of this and it's going to foam up. So that is what I basically do. I've actually washed my face, so I'm not going to be washing my face on here, but this right here is very nice and gentle on the skin. I love the fact that it's so soothing on the skin. Like, this is basically suitable for everyone. If you're someone with a sensitive skin, this is going to help cleanse your skin without irritating your skin. It contains pure centella, and this is actually what I use mostly in the morning to wash my face. So now, once I'm done washing my face in the morning, the next or second product I use is my face toner, and I use this Advanced Clinical C Glow toner. And I use this Advanced Clinical C Glow toner. Guys, I really love this particular toner. Once I'm done washing my face, I just spray this particular toner all over my face. I make sure I drench my skin with this. And guys, I really love this particular toner. It's so amazing. This is going to help you refresh your skin. And I love the fact that it's formulated with both vitamin C and ferulic acid. And it also contains pure rose water and peptides. This particular face toner is a brightening toner and is going to help plump your skin and give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Guys, I recently added this to my skincare routine, and honestly speaking, it was love at first trial. Like, I really love the refreshing feel that I get whenever I spray this particular toner. You guys know that I'm a fan of spraying my toners, and when I saw this particular one at the store and it had a spray bottle, guys, I knew I had to copy. This particular toner is amazing and it have really been helping to brighten and glow my skin. I really love the fact that whenever I'm done spraying this on my skin, it gives me that intense hydration and at the same time an intense brightening glow. Like, it leaves my skin with this glowy finish that you all can see right now. So I mostly use this face toner in the day. It's lightweight and it's good for people battling with acne prone skin. I love the fact that it doesn't contain any form of harsh chemicals like paraben or alcohol in it. So it's a really nice toner and it's going to help brighten up your skin with consistent hues. Now, immediately I'm done spraying my face toner, the next product I love to go in with is my Beauty Formulas Glowing Serum here. And this is a serum right here. I recently started using this. Like, I've been using this for a month going to 2 months now. And guys, I really love the brightening effect, glowing effect I get with this vitamin C serum. I've used a lot of affordable vitamin C serums and this particular one have been amazing. Like, when I started using it, my skin became so much brighter and glowy. So I can attest to the brightening effect of the serum. What I do mostly is once I'm done applying my face toner, just take like a drop or two of this and apply it to my face. And then guys, I also love to work down my product to my neck area as well. So you want to use your face product on your neck as well. Now, once I'm done applying my vitamin C serum, the next product I love to go in with in my daily face care routine for glowing skin is my Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. And this is a right here. So this is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. See, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I pair vitamin C serum with niacinamide serum, it tends to brighten up my skin. Guys, I really love those Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum because it's one of the serums I used when I had terrible breakouts on my skin, and it really helped me curtail my breakouts. I had this large pores on my face, and this particular niacinamide serum have actually helped smoothen it out. Guys, this is one serum that I used and I did not have any form of breakout. This is actually my second purchase on this, and I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. If you're battling with textured skin, acne breakout, and you're looking for a very nice niacinamide serum that is going to clear all of that and brighten your face, then get this Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. You're going to love the effect on your skin. In fact, your face is going to look so much smooth, like you're having a filter on. And that is what exactly this niacinamide serum have been doing in my skincare routine. Like, this is actually my best niacinamide serum, and I'm going to recommend it for anyone that cares to listen. Now, let's talk about this, the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Serum. Guys, this is actually a very nice treatment serum for your dark spots. And this is one serum I was using to treat my dark spots. Recently, I've decided to stop because it's already 3 months and most of my dark spots are already faded. So this is one serum I use in treating my dark spots. And guys, I'm already out of this serum. It was actually when I ran out of this The Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Serum that I went to get this vitamin C serum, and I've been using it together with my Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. So these are the two serums I use during the day. But this right here really helped improve my dark spots that I had. So for my Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum, I just apply like a drop or two and apply it all over my face and allow it to sit for a minute or two, then go in with the next product. Now, once I'm done applying my Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum, because I no longer use the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Serum, the next product I use is this Olay Anti-Wrinkle Cream, Firm and Lift Day Cream Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Wait a minute, let me see if I can get the pack and show you guys. So this is the face cream right here. So this is what the pack looks like. Guys, this is one face cream that I have used and I really love the effect on my skin. This is a very nice face cream, and I love the fact that it gives this smooth, plump, hydrated feel. Like, immediately I'm done applying this face cream to my face becomes all glowy, and I really love it. Like, this is a very nice face cream. It has a day and night cream. So this particular one is actually the day cream, and it contains SPF 15. So what I do is just to take like and apply it on my face. Guys, I've been loving this face cream, and I'm not going to lie, like, the effect on the skin is amazing. It's going to hydrate your skin, and it's a very nice anti-aging face cream. So if you're looking to have a young, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, get this Olay Anti-Wrinkle Cream. You're going to love it. So immediately I'm done applying my face cream, the next product I go in with is my sunscreen, and I use this Centella Madagascar sunscreen. Guys, if you really want to protect your skin from the sun, you really need a sunscreen in your skincare routine. Like, there is no way you want to achieve an intense brightening and glowing skin and you're not using a sunscreen. Do yourself the favor and cop a good sunscreen in your skincare routine. Even if it's not the Centella Madagascar one, there are other affordable sunscreens that you can add in your routine, and your skin is going to be popping. Like, the secret to having that intense, bright, glowing skin is having a good sun protection. Now, that is it on my daily face care for glowing skin. Now let's head over to all the products I use in my body care routine to have that intense, bright, glowing skin. So now for my morning body care routine, I actually love to keep it simple and I love to smell nice as well. Like I love anything that hydrates my skin and give it a proper pampering. So the first product I use in my morning body care routine for intense skin brightening is this QEI Paris Active Harmony Bar Soap, and this is it right here, and this is the bar soap right here. Guys, I usually use this to pre-cleanse my body. Like I really love to give my skin a thorough cleanse when I'm in the shower. So I basically start off with this. I just wet my skin, then lather the soap on my sponge and use it to scrub all over my body, and immediately I'm done rinsing that off. The next product I love to use is the Dove Pure Pampering body wash I use in the morning. And this is the body wash I use in the morning. And this is the body wash I use in the morning. So I love to use this Dove Pampering wash because of the fragrance. This particular Dove body wash smells heavenly. Like if you want to layer your fragrance, you need to start from the shower. So in other words, I love to use this Dove because I really love to smell nice. So this particular Dove body wash is so moisturizing on the skin and is actually going to help you smell good throughout the day. I go in with this Dove body wash to wash off my body and return a good smell. Now, on the days I'm meant to scrub my skin, I usually go in with this Vits Gold Vitamin C body scrub, and this is the scrub right here. So what I do majorly is once I'm done rinsing off my body soap, I go in with this Vits Gold body scrub to scrub off all the dead skin cells on my skin. And guys, this right here gives a brighter, glowy skin. Like if you want to have that intense brightening and have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, then try as much as possible to scrub your skin 2 or 3 times while in the shower, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, I'm actually not a fan of scrubbing my skin at night, so I mostly scrub my skin during the day, and I do not scrub my body every day. I scrub my skin like 2 or 3 times weekly, maybe on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and that is simply it. So once I'm out of the shower, the next product I love to use on my body to have that bright, beautiful glow that you all can see is this Vaseline Healthy Bright Body Lotion in Healthy Bright Protection Lotion. Guys, this is one body lotion that I've been using in my skincare routine, and I really love the effect on my skin. Like this body lotion is so moisturizing, and that is one thing I love about it. It's going to moisturize your skin and brighten up your skin. It's a really nice body lotion, and I love the effect on my skin. See, when it comes to my morning body care routine, I love products that not only hydrate my skin, but is also going to help even out my complexion and give it that intense skin brightening. Guys, this Vaseline understands the assignment. I was using the Nivea body lotion previously, but this right here is so moisturizing. Is more moisturizing than the Nivea, and I really love the effect on my skin. So it's a very nice body lotion I love to go in with. Guys, immediately I step out of the shower, when my skin is still wet and damp, that is when I apply my Vaseline body lotion. So I take a little amount and rub it all over my body, and it leaves my skin with this glowy effect, leaves my skin looking hydrated and well moisturized. Now, once I'm done applying my Vaseline body lotion, the next product I go in with to seal in all that moisture and glow is my Vaseline Intensive Care Vitamin B3 Body Oil, the Healthy Even Tone one. And this is it right here. And this is it right here. This is a very nice body oil that is going to give you that even radiant complexion. Like if you want to brighten up your skin and have that amazing glow, then you definitely need this product in your routine. It's going to give you a visible, radiant, glowing skin. Like if you want your skin to be popping, these are all the products you need for that intense brightening and glowing skin. So this is basically all I do in my morning body care routine for that intense brightening. This is basically it on my daily face care routine for glowing skin. I'll be making a nighttime skincare routine for you guys, and you basically do not want to miss that. because that's where all the spicy tea is at. So do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you do get notified when I upload that particular video. If you found this video helpful, do well to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Let me know if you have tried any of these products and how it worked for you in the comment section. Also drop a nice comment for me because I really love to read you guys' comments and I'll always respond to that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.